Welcome viewers, I hope Allah keeps you in His protection and peace, fills your life with happiness, grants tranquility to your heart, and that you always remain smiling with good health, success, and prosperity. With best wishes, unboxing, Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra, 2027, upgraded features and highlights, design and durability upgrade, premium grade 5 titanium frame, Gorilla Armor 2, front, plus Victus 2, back, slim 7.9mm body, solid 214G balance, IP68 water and dust resistance, refined S Pen integration, next-gen display experience, 6.9. Dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X, 120's adaptive refresh rate, 2600 nits peak brightness, HD or 10 plus with DX anti-reflective coating, 91.5% screen-to-body ratio, QHD plus 1440 x 3120 resolution, Elite performance upgrade, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, 3 nanometers, Orin V3 Phoenix CPU architecture, Adreno 840 GPU for console-level gaming, UFS 4.x ultra-fast storage, up to 16 GB RAM, 1 TB storage, software and AI power, Android 16 plus One UI 8.5, 7 years of major Android updates, smarter eye for camera, battery and performance, enhanced Samsung ecosystem integration, pro-grade camera evolution, 200MP main sensor with OIS, 5x periscope optical zoom, 50MP, 3x telephoto lens, 15th ultra-wide with dual pixel depth, laser f plus best face eye, 8K video recording, 10-bit HDR, plus HDR 10 plus, super steady cinematic video, selfie camera upgrade, 12MP dual pixel depth, 460 FPS HDR 10 plus video, improved low light and skin tone accuracy, audio and connectivity, stereo speakers with high bitrate audio, Wi-Fi 7, tri-band, Bluetooth 5.4, ultra wideband, UWB, Samsung DeX and wireless DeX, battery and charging boost, 5000 mAh intelligent battery, 6.2 fast wired charging, 2.5W wireless, Qi 2.2, reverse wireless charging, security and sensors, ultrasonic and display fingerprint, advanced motion and environmental sensors, enhanced biometric accuracy, colors and variants, black, cobalt violet, more premium colors expected.